Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About 2x, we can change for 4x minus 2x. This one we can change for negative 2x, negative 3x. Next, we can do about factorization by x. This one by negative number 2. This one by x. This one by negative number 3. Next, we can do another factorization by x plus number 4. Similar for this one. Now, we need to simplify x minus number 2 on numerator and denominator. And now we put number 2 colon here and here. So we have negative number 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.